Okay, I just ordered this awesome AT hoodie that I saw posted on Facebook from Kimchi from Maine, and it just arrived. So I took it out of the envelope. I did that first because I didn't want to show my address and everything. But let's see. It's just a receipt. Oh yeah, okay, nice bag. All right. Okay, kind of hard to do this one-handed, but it is a map of the AT. Hold on, let me lay it out. All right, AT logo. Here's the AT. Looks like there's a snap button up there. Nice material, nice and light. This is a sun hoodie, in case I didn't make that clear. Okay, first of all, the fit is awesome. This is a large. This fits me perfectly. And I've got a little bit of my winter belly still. Trail season's just kicking off for me here. And then that button seemed like it'd be nice when it's cold. Otherwise I would have it open. Let's button it up again. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so if it's colder, you can at least get some button, your neck protected here. Also, it has the, the places to put your thumb, so it'll help keep your hand warm, but it also, when you're putting on a jacket or another layer, this helps it not slip out. But yeah, this is a large, really good right at the waistline. These are my new REI hiking pants. So it comes 2 inches just below the waistline, so perfect. Really nice material. And then, yeah, I forgot to look what's on the back. So I'll put the link below. Check them out.